I've been using the True Finance mobile app for a while now, and this is my honest and unbiased review. So let's dive in and see if it's the right fit for you. One of the main reasons I chose True Finance was its comprehensive suite of financial tools. The app offers cash advances up to $100 without interest or credit checks, providing quick access to funds when unexpected expenses arise. Additionally, it provides free access to your credit score and report, helping you stay informed about your financial health. The app also offers opportunities to earn extra income through simple tasks and games, making it a versatile financial companion. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, some users have reported issues with the app's bank linking process, experiencing difficulties connecting their accounts, which can be frustrating when trying to access services. Additionally, while the app offers cash advances, the amounts approved can be lower than expected, with some users receiving advances as low as $10, which may not fully meet your financial needs. On top of that, customer support has also been a point of contention, with reports of delayed responses and unresolved issues, leaving users seeking assistance without clear resolutions. Another aspect worth mentioning is the app's user experience. True Finance is available for both Android and iOS devices, offering a user-friendly interface that simplifies navigation. However, some users have noted that the app's features and policies change frequently, leading to confusion and a learning curve as you adapt to new updates. Overall, my experience with the True Finance mobile app has been mixed, especially considering the app offers valuable features like cash advances, credit monitoring, and income earning opportunities, which I have found beneficial. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.